Hi, I'm Angela Wolf. Today I want to show you what comes with the Dream Machine and show you how easy it is to set up. To get started, open the top of the box. There should be one piece of tape going across here. And you'll notice on the box it actually tells you exactly how to take everything out so you don't miss anything. Here's a note letting me know that there is a hoop on the side compartment. Don't forget about that. I'm going to start by unwrapping. Remove the blue tape. This is the Move It foot. The manuals. Great spots to hide some of your accessories, and this just slides on for sewing or off for embroidery. So let's put together the foot accessories. There are different holes here to make this adjustable for what's convenient for you. I'm just going to start with the hole in the middle. Plug in the power and you're ready to sew. But before we do that, let's take a look at the embroidery attachment. It looks like there are quite a few hoops with this. Boy, this is the big one. I could embroider an entire sleeve with this hoop. This is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hoops, including the one that's on the side. Now that's a lot of embroidery potential. The embroidery attachment, embroidery foot, extra bobbin, bobbin thread, extra bobbin case, pretty easy. There's a lever underneath that you can reach your hand to remove it. Let's turn it on and make sure it works. Select your language. Set the clock. The clock display can be either this or this. And that's how easy it is to set up the Brother Dream Machine 2. I'm all ready to sew, embroider, or quilt, whatever the flavor of the day is. Again, I'm Angela Wolf. For more sewing tips and tutorials, be sure to visit brothersews.com and angelawolf.com. Until next time, enjoy your new machine.